Let's learn about first mode of excretion, that's a ammonotelism. Different kinds of organisms which found in an aquatic habitat, they excrete ammonia as an excretory product. So this organism is a ammonotelic organism and their mode of excretion is ammonotelism. Elimination of nitrogenous waste in form of ammonia is called as a ammonotelism. Elimination, removing of the nitrogenous waste material. Ammonia is a highly toxic substance. It is a basic in nature. If it is a highly toxic one and if they are retained inside the body, now it affects the pH of our body. It disturbs the pH of the body because our body pH is ranges from 7.35 to 7.45, and if there is an excess amount of ammonia, it affects the enzyme activity. Ammonia is a highly soluble in water. It requires about 1 gram of ammonia need 300 to 500 ml of water to remove from the body. It is an energy saving mechanism because this excretory product like an ammonia, they excrete with the help of simple diffusion method. So there is no need of energy to remove the ammonia. These kinds of ammonia is removed from the body through body surface like skin, gills or the kidneys. Organism which excrete ammonia as an excretory product. So such organism is called ammonotelic organism like aquatic invertebrate, bony fishes, aquatic and the larval amphibian. In another point, protozoa. We know about that amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular organism. They are the protozoans. Like that, whole kinds of process occur inside their body is performed by the single cell. So they don't have any kind of excretory system, and that's why they are found in an aquatic condition. Again, ammonia is a main excretory product. Now the second one mode of excretion is ureotelism. Yes, according to the name ureotelism, that's a urea is a main excretory product. Let's learn about their definition. Elimination of nitrogenous waste in the form of urea is called ureotelism. Same one, again elimination means removing of the nitrogenous waste material in form of urea. Now this urea is a less toxic than the ammonia. Ammonia is a highly toxic one. Comparison to that urea is a less toxic one. Again, it is a less water soluble. When we studied about ammonia, ammonia is a highly soluble than the urea. Urea is a less water soluble, and that's why it requires less water for the elimination. Example, 1 gram of urea needs about 50 ml of water for elimination. So that's why they conserve more amount of water. So the organisms which are found in a terrestrial habitat, they are the ureotelic. And this urea in liver ammonia get converted into urea. Ammonia is a highly toxic substance. Urea is a less toxic substance. So ammonia get converted into urea in an urea cycle or in an ornithine cycle in a liver. Now it requires about a 3 ATP are used to produce a 1 molecule of urea, means a less amount of energy is used. Different kinds of example is there like in mammals, cartilaginous fishes like a shark, then stingray, aquatic reptiles, sea turtles, lizards, iguana, adult amphibia. They are belonging to the ureotelism because Their habitat is a terrestrial and they need less amount of water, like 50 ml of water for elimination of 1 gram of urea. So that's why this group is conserve the water more amount. Now the third one mode of nutrition is uricotelism. Again, same definition is here. Elimination of nitrogenous waste in form of uric acid is called uricotelism. Elimination means removing of the nitrogenous waste material in form of uric acid. Now this uric acid is the least toxic one, means ammonia is a highly toxic, then urea, it is again less than the ammonia, and uric acid is again a least toxic one. So it can be retained inside the body, sometime in a concentrated form. It is a least soluble in water, so they require very negligible amount of water. That's about 5 to 10 ml of water required to remove 1 gram of uric acid. So no need of the water for its elimination, or negligible amount of water is required to remove the 1 gram of uric acid. Uricotelic organism. Again same definition is there. The organism which can remove or which can be eliminate the nitrogenous waste material in form of uric acid. Such organism called uricotelic organism, and they are referred as the conserve more water. They conserve more water. Same one again, ammonia, which is found in a liver of the bird. Ammonia is a highly toxic one. Inside the liver of bird, ammonia get converted into uric acid in an ionosinic pathway. Uric acid is eliminated in a form of solid pellets. Land snail, reptile, bird, some insect like a lizards, snakes, all are a terrestrial organism and they are the uricotelic one. Their excretory substance like a uric acid is eliminated in form of a solid pellets or the thick paste. So this thing is related with the uricotelism. Now there is one more example is there. Look at this photograph. Amino acids or the nitrogenous bases, they converted into the amino group. Now this ammonia is a highly toxic one. So in an liver of the aquatic animals, terrestrial animals, as well as a bird also. So in an liver, this ammonia get converted into less toxic substance. Amino group in an fishes, aquatic animals, the many fishes, ammonia is a main excretory product, while the mammals, most of the amphibian, sharks, some of the bony fishes, they excrete a urea as an excretory product. So the mode of excretion is a ureotelic. Their mode of nutrition is ammonotelic, while in birds, insects, reptile, snail, snake also, all are the uricotelic, or they excrete uric acid as a main excretory product.